go.
Hi, welcome to YumSan. Today I'm very excited to share these amazing denim upcycle which are very practical for university students. So let's start DIYing. Before we start the video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below the video and turn the notification bell on. Firstly, we are making this long chain bag ideal for keeping our phone and valuables safe. For this, take an old pair of jeans, mark around one pocket leaving an inch for seam allowance and cut it out. On the plain side of denim, place the pocket and trace it out and cut that out also. Now, place the two parts over each other facing the right side. By using the sewing machine, I sew left, right and the bottom parts of the pocket. For the upper part, I fold the extra fabric and glue it with the hot glue on the both sides. Now turn it inside out. For decorating my bag, I make some tassels. I make this tool which made very easy to make tassels in one of my previous videos, and I also show how to make tassels. So make sure to check it out. The link is in the eye icon in the top right corner. In short, I just wrap the thread around the tool and tie a knot on the upper part. Open a jump ring, put it through the pipe and slide the tassel onto it. Close the jump ring, also trim the other end of the tassel. For this DIY, I make 5 tassels. Now, using a thread and a needle, attach the jump ring of the tassel to the bag. Make sure it is secure. Attach all in the same way. Using a thread and a needle, in the same way, attach the jump ring to each upper corner of your bag. I am using a chain from my old bag. Just attach the clips of the chain to the jump ring and your long chain bag is ready.
Here we go.
For the second one, I take a piece of fabric of 8 inches into 12 inches. Fold the fabric in half. Now mark 1 inch from the two sides. The central area is for embroidery. Then I take white colored pencil and draw the design. I drew a cactus with 2 small arms. After that, I take a needle with a thick thread and start embroidering. I do just a simple stem stitch for the whole embroidery. Just follow the line where the drawing is and go in and out with your needle. The simpler your design, the easier your embroidery will be. Now I take the zip and attach it to the bottom and the top of your fabric with right sides facing each other. And sew it with the sewing machine. Now stitch this side to form a bag and it's done. Now you don't have to dig in your bag to find your makeup. Your makeup pouch comes handy. Get bored by wearing that old jeans? Let's upcycle it. Firstly, fold the bottom of your pants according to your desired length. Now, I am taking some beads of different sizes. Using a thread and a needle, stitch some beads to the folded part of your jeans. First, insert the needle from under the fold and bring it above. Put a bead through the needle and secure it to the place. Do it with all others. I placed almost 12 to 15 beads of different sizes. Now you can wear these trendy pair of jeans anywhere. If you like our video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!